Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to add a hyperlink in MS Excel. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So this is the MS Excel file guys for which we want to create the hyperlink. So here we can already see for more information. So now let's create a hyperlink here. So let's type click here, or you can type any other information whichever you want. So I'm just taking an example of click here. So if we want to create the hyperlink for this, so go to insert, select link, click on this link. So here you can see 4 different options: existing file or a web page, place in this document, create new document, email address. So let's take an example of a web page. We'll select the web page option. So we'll redirect to the another web page. You can take it example of any website whichever you want. So let's take an example of google.com or a bing.com. We'll take it as Bing. Okay, now press OK. So now you can see that hyperlink is already created. For more information, click here. So I will click on this particular link. So it's redirecting to another web page, that is bing.com. okay, so this is how we create the hyperlink. Suppose if you want to remove this particular hyperlink, you can select this, click here, right click on this and select the remove hyperlink option. So this is how you can create the hyperlink and you can also remove the hyperlink. Okay, so that's all about this particular video and I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on another. Thank you. Bye bye.